Well, this is a bracelet. It's very popular right now. The problem is that this sells retail for $24 in the stores, which translates back to a factory price of about $3 or $4. Say a person is sitting and is going to glue this, just like you saw Hilda gluing this piece. Okay, now whether Hilda is here in this country or she's in China, it's going to take her, let's say it takes a half an hour's worth of time to glue all these 300 stones. Now in this country, $10 an hour, just order of magnitude. Half an hour is $5, so there would be $5 worth of labor here. If they paid the people $1 an hour in China, that $5 would now be 1/10, would be 50 cents. But they don't pay the people $1 an hour. They pay them $1 a day. At $1 a day, it's 1/10, basically of 1/10, so that $5 now becomes 5 cents. So somebody in China is paid about a nickel for this labor. The Providence, Attleboro area has lost, most of the costume business to overseas.
I think really the reason I became a jewelry designer is because of this bracelet. My grandmother, it was her favorite bracelet, and my mother gave it to me when she died. It was something special. It was my most favorite, treasured piece of jewelry, and it still is.
For some reason, I never saw this in 50 years or more. They still came to this country, but they believed their roots were in Italy. And this country, it was like unbelievable from what the stories. People went to work at 6 in the morning, they walked to work, they worked in mills. I remember we used to draw on the walls, empty houses, or wherever we could find a piece of paper. They used to have a drawing contest. I won first prize. Saturday morning classes at the School of Design. People were saying to me, what are you going to do as an artist? You're going to starve, you're not going to make any money. When I first started with the choral, it was all Art Deco. And Art Deco is a beautiful way of designing, but it's repetitious. The invention of the duet came from Paris. At one time, Cora was the only company in the USA that could make a duet. Now, I had the name Guido Verrecchia. I said to myself, I'm in America, this name doesn't go too well.
There's a number of features that you can use to critique a piece of jewelry. One is style. 2 is construction. 3 is finish. And then there's also another feature called human factors.
industry in Providence was textile and jewelry were the two biggest industries in Rhode Island.